Hi, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. I'm Elena and today we're talking about warm yin yoga. I want to give you a little information about the basis of yin yoga and having either a warm classroom or having a warmed up body. It's not recommended to actually practice yin in a warm space or when your body is already warm. For instance, if you are in a hot class that it's going to have high humidity or a temperature in the room that is very high. You want to practice in a room that is nice and room temperature, or maybe a little heated in the winter time if you're in a colder place. We just want the body to be in a natural state. You shouldn't practice yin when you have a warmed up body because we want to focus on the connective tissues. So when your body is warm, a lot of that movement goes into the muscle versus the connective tissue and the joints. So you kind of take over the stretch. And you'll probably notice this if you do, let's say, pigeon pose in a vinyasa class at the end versus a pigeon pose in a yin class. It's going to be a much different feeling because in the vinyasa class you're warmed up, you're more flexible, you might be in a heated space, so your body is able to move more. A heated room is going to cause a little more fluidity to happen within the body, which will also help you get a little more loose, and maybe you can go too deep into poses at that point. So we want to just have the basic range of motion. We practiced yin mainly in the mornings and at night. For that reason, your body is usually nice and cold, and it's a great way to either relax or get your energy moving for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video on warm yin yoga. Be sure to hit subscribe for more yoga content coming your way, and leave me any comments or feedback you have on this video. Have a great day. Namaste.